Just got the LED light in from Dude, and here's what they look like. It comes with a wiring harness, and then the fuse block adapters. Should make it real easy to install. Everything's in the box. It's got all 4 lights. We're going to go ahead and get her installed. So first thing we need to do is remove all these clips. There's 14 of them, I think is what we counted. So first you need to get you a screwdriver, and you basically just pop out the center, and then it lets you get underneath the clip, and it pops right up. And here's a close-in view of what it looks like right here. You just press it down, get underneath it with a screwdriver, and pop it up. And you're going to want to save those. So we got to remove all these. Fast forward there. Now we need to remove our cover. Now each one of these is different, so they'll each go in a different hole. So we just line them up, pop them in. They just clip right in, real easy. They got little clips on the side, and they do only go in one spot. So you just got to figure out which one goes in which and with what angle, and you just slide them in, real easy, just like that. And that one will go, looks like it goes right here. Just clip it right in. Helps if you do it the right way. Just like that. And the last one right here. My big head in the way. Right like that. So here's the wiring harness. Gonna plug each one in. There's 4 of them, and they only go one way, and they're the waterproof connections, so they only do go one way. Struggle a little bit. And now we gotta try to decide which way we're gonna route our cabling. So we'll work on that, see which way we want to go. We need to get up towards the fuse block and kind of lay it out. Just kind of visualize where we're going up here, and then we kind of feed it through stuff so it's not up and out and staying out of the way from any moving parts, anything that might rub. We go behind the lights here, and there's a little pass through right here. Should get us right up where we need to be. Now we'll zip tie everything and make it look real pretty. So now I've got it all nicely zip tied, all in through there, down underneath the horn, comes up through here. I've got a little extra. So now we need to figure out where on the fuse blocks this goes. This one came with 2 different fuse block adapters. We won't need this one. We'll be using the little shorter one, and we will put it on the INJ port there. So if you see right there, INJ, so we translate the map over here, and that's the one right there. So we'll use our little fuse puller, and we'll make sure that that's the one. We'll pull that out, and now we'll plug our fuse in there, and now we can run this out to our plug on the wiring harness. So I'll do that now. So I've plugged that into there. Now we need to take our negative spot, and we're going to attach it right here. You notice how I've pulled the rubber over to protect the connection as well. So we'll undo that bolt and put our negative connection on there. Okay, there's our negative on there, real simple. There's our positive. And now we need to make sure we put make sure you put your fuse grabber back, or you'll need that later. And this just goes back on like so. It does stick up just a little bit with the wire coming through there, but it should be okay. And now we need to put our cover back. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, cover is ready to go back on. So basically just line it up and then take the little thing and you push them back out. So see how it's pushed out like that? Now you can squeeze that into the hole and then push it so it's level like that. So we'll finish that up real quick. Okay, that is them working, installed, they're in there good, and she's ready to run. These lights are a great addition to any Toyota, and they look great.